HQ 350 Holdens on the market these days are pretty rare, and when they come up, they usually get a premium price. We've had a few HQ GDSs, sedans and coupes, and this is probably the second HQ 350 Statesman we've had in. Now this is a 74 model, so it's the very last of the HQs. It is a factory matching numbers 350, and they run the turbo 400 gearbox, and it's just a good car. It's an original car. That's a factory colour on the car. It's probably had a repaint at one stage, but that's the original colour. The interior trim is all original, right down to the carpets and the console and the dash. And it's a good old car. You might put a set of standard wheels and hubcaps back on it, or we can leave these period mags or put a set of sports wheels on it. But it's all there. The motor's healthy, and these are super collectible. They're rarer than a HQ Monaro 350. So this one comes up this month. It has got logbooks. It's got good history. If you want more information, I always say give us a call on 1300 Classic or drop us an email. But it's at our Pinken Bar facility. If you want to pop down and have a look at it in person, you're more than welcome. Comes up this month at grays.com.au.